Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing koolatron mini vending machine, and that's a big box for a mini vending machine. So we're using this knife. Please don't restrict for me for this, but hopefully it works. That was the only one on eBay. Oh my god. Okay, well that's the only one on eBay, but there is two more on letgo.com. I don't know. But here we go, guys. Whew. I'm nervous. Dude, I'm pumped up. Whew. Unbox. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, guys. I finally opened it. Let's see. Oh gosh. Another thing in here. Oh, that is huge. Oh my god. Oh, that touch. Oh my god. Hold up, guys. I need to get this out of the box. Okay, guys. I got the paracord. Looks pretty nice. And here. How big is this vending machine? Hold up, guys. Hold up. Wait, hold on. Let me show you in the front. Whew. That is humongous. And by the way, on eBay, it said it had a 2-star rating. Buttons work. It said it was missing piece under here that like ramps underneath it. So, yeah. But one thing I hate about is people can just go through the vending machine. So, yeah. But let me get this all set up, guys. So, hold up. By the way, guys, it says it has been blue before. That's why it has all that stain on it. Maybe we will paint it soon, but hopefully this will work, guys. Because I waited 1 week for this. Hold up. Put this in the back. Or maybe, hold up. Okay, guys, let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it works. It works. Yeah, let's go. It works.
What?
It works. The fan. But the fan sounds a little crappy, but it's still worth it. But guys, it is now working. The green light is staying on. Wait, give me a wait, I need like...
Is that all that came in it?
Yeah.
Was there any
This is huge though. Look at that. Oh my god.
instructions to it?
But I know how to work it. But guys, I'm gonna put some pop in it and other stuff, so hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the inside, what it looks like. Hold up. It's kind of difficult to open it. So that's what it looks like inside. Coin department right there. Ouch. But yeah, it's missing the piece. Everything looks good, so. But I'm probably to put a quarter and try to fix that, so hold up, guys. Okay, guys, we got 1 quarter, at least that's good. Oh yeah, now it's working well now. Okay. Well, let me see. Sewed out. That's weird. Hold up. Hold up, guys. Okay, I stuck a water. Wait, why is that blinking on the camera? Well, it's because I'm shaking. By the way, it's not blinking the thing, but like. But that's so weird though. That is so weird. I use water, by the way, because we don't have any, like, pump. Okay, okay, so... That is so weird. The fan is cool, but... I mean, not like the fan is cool, but like it's cold. But like... So I put a quarter in. It's a coin return. That is so weird. I don't know, guys, but I don't know. Oh, it's weird. Like, whenever it stops. I don't get it, but it works, though, but we may have to take it to a repair shop and get it looked at. So, guys, I'll probably see you in the next video. It works, but something is wrong with the sensors. But, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!